Assalamu alaikum. I am Nimra and I am from Ritke Officers Academy. Today we'll discuss the clubbed assistant paper 13G 2025 and 7G 2025. First we will discuss Park Studies MCQs. Okay. First MCQs is that first ruler who recognized Khalifa Altamash. Nidwatul Ulma established in which year? 1893. In which year Quaid-e-Azam was appointed as the third presidency magistrate in Bombay? It's 1900. And the next one is how many members were in Shimla deputation? 35 members. In which act diarchy system was introduced? It's 1919 act. And book The Glimpse of World History written by which writer? Jawaharlal Nehru. Day of Deliverance celebrated in which year? 22 December 1939. Next one is book The Charismatic Leader, Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah and the Creation of Pakistan was written by. It's Skandar Hayat Khan. The ruler of Junagadh was. It's Muslim. Bogra formula presented in which year before the Constituent Assembly? It's 1953. The next one, Indus Water Treaty brought by World Bank. Tehrike Naswa founded by Shima Kemani. Kargil War in which year? 1999. 4 points agenda was presented by which person? Pervez Musharraf. First transgender school established in which city of Pakistan? It's Ludhiana in 2019. The Bill of Human Rights includes all of these are correct. And the next one is NADRA stands for. It's National Database and Registration Authority. Okay. Bhangra dance is related to people of which province of Pakistan? It's Punjab. Grand Jamia Masjid Karachi completed construction in which year? 2023. Kirtha range in between provinces Sindh and Balochistan. Port Qasim is in which city? It's Karachi. Which headquarter is on River Ravi? It's Sidhani and Balochi headquarter, both of them. Next one is which is Pakistan News Agency? API. The next we will discuss World Affair MCQs. The deepest point in Atlantic Ocean. It's Puerto Rico Trench. Which country is located in the west of Pakistan? Afghanistan. Betha Valley is in Makkah. Sudriman Range is located in Indonesia. The Karez is called in Iran. It's Kanat. Blue Mosque, Blue Mosque is located in Istanbul, Turkey. Michelangelo was from which country? It's Italy. 30 Years' War ended through which treaty? Treaty of Westphalia. Which Russian leader supported two-nation theory in subcontinent? It's Joseph Stalin. Okay, next one. Hasnal Banana assassinated in which year? 1949. Mackenzie Scott is an American novelist. Which one is the largest river by volume in the world? Amazon. Next, we will discuss the MCQs of organization. League of Nations established in which year? 1920. Which is responsible for social, environmental, economic, and financial planning, particularly in developing countries' benefits? It's UN Agency on Social and Economic. Which organization deals with the tourism and its related affairs? It's World Trade Organization, WTO. SARC is related to South Asia. NATO formed in which year? 1949. Pakistan joined OIC in which year? 1969. Which treaty aimed at preventing the spread of nuclear weapon? It's Non-Proliferation Treaty, NPT. Next questions we will discuss that is from sports area. Michael Phillips won how many medals in Olympics? It's 28. Number of lanes on standard track? 8. Next we will discuss geo MCQs. And here is first question is that who discovered that sun is center of solar system, not the earth? Nicholas Copernicus. Which is used as buffer of environment? Trees. A non-metal which is a good conductor of heat and electricity is graphite. The rest stroke volume per beat of heart 60 to 80 ml. Cooking gas is a mixture of butane and propane. Gap in railway tracks used for to avoid expansion due to heat. Poliovirus use which hereditary material? It's RNA. Vitamin D is present in butter. What is double-walled membrane surrounding the lungs called? Pleura. Who discovered bacteria? Leeuwenhoek. Who discovered homeopathy? Samuel Heumann. The first mechanical calculator was invented. Blaise Pascal. The next area we will discuss is from computer science. The practice of protecting people, system and data from cyber attack is called cybersecurity. Which function can be used to calculate the monthly mortgage payment? It's PMT. Which is the part of the computer that controls the operation of all the parts? CPU. After creating the table, which of the following is correct? Fields can be added or deleted as per needed. Which of the following is not a valid zoom percentage in Excel? It's none of these. 500. Next, we will discuss English MCQs. Sentence is the basic unit of academic writing. Maria is not working, but I am. My friend and benefactor is filling the blanks dead. Has. She filling the blanks the drive test to get a license. Has to pass. She is much taller. Fill in the blanks. Then I. He did not give up hoping. Next is narration. Matthew said, "Let's go for a picnic." Correct answer is Matthew proposed that they should go for a picnic. Joseph said to his mother, "I shall go to bed now." Choose the indirect speech. Sorry. Indirect speech is John told his mother that he would go to bed then. Okay. If he works hard, he filling the space gets success. Will, it's from conditional sentence. Nowadays, attacks are common in politics and people do not bother to tell lies. It's slanderous. Next is she is not willing to reveal the identity of her informant. She is standing her friend in crisis. Standing by. There are some vacant rooms in flats and shared houses. In both flats and shared houses. I reckon she's strangling you along means. Strangling you means mislead. Correct answer is mislead. You need to write your mobile number while home address is optional. Next is math. 0.085 divided by 0.017. Correct answer is 5. The next one is 8.73 multiply 8.73 multiply 8.73 plus 4.27 multiply 4.27 multiply 4.27 divided by 8.73 multiply 8.73 minus 8.73 multiply 4.27 plus 4.27 multiply 4.27 is equal to, right answer is 13. A bus covers a distance of 400 km with a speed of 20 km per hour. What time is taken by the bus to cover the distance? Correct answer is 20 hours. A car arrived at a town at 15:06 after 15 hour or 6 minutes after traveling 5 hours or 1 hour 4 hours. Part. Find the time the car started this journey. Is 9:15 a.m. The next one is a local supermarket sells jelly in a small, medium, and large jars. 16 small jars equal to 2 medium jars and 1 large jar. 4 small jars and 1 medium jar have the same weight as the one large jar? How many small jars have the weight of one large jar? Correct answer is 8. A manufacturing plant increases the temperature of a chemical compound by 4 degrees Celsius every m minutes. If the compound has an initial temperature of T degrees Celsius, which of the following expression gives its temperature after x minutes in degrees Celsius? Correct equation is T plus dx over m. The next one is in a triangle XYZ, if P and Q are the midpoint of XY and YZ respectively. If YZ is equal to 8 and YZ is parallel to PQ, and then find the value of PQ. Correct answer is 4. The last math MCQs is the cost of the fencing of a square park of side 50 meter at the rate of 8 rupees per meter 1600. Next area we will cover is from Islamiyat, Islamic studies. किताब खरोज किस में शामिल? आंसर इस तौरात की एक किताब. शीमा का हज़रत मोहम्मद सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम से क्या रिश्ता था? रज़ाई बहन. खंदक खोदने का मशवरा किसने दिया था? हज़रत सुलेमान फ़ारसी. हज़रत खालिद बिन वलीद ने इस्लाम कबूल करने के बाद सबसे पहले किस गज़वा में शिरकत की? गज़वा मोता. शराब नोशी की सज़ा 80 कोड़े किस दौर में मुकर्रर हुई? हज़रत उमर फ़ारूक. 206 हिजरी में किसकी पैदाइश हुई है? इमाम मुस्लिम. जाम में फूला ना समाना से क्या मुराद है? नहायत खुश होना. हचर मचर करना का मतलब? टाल मटोल करना. हफ्त खवा सर करना का क्या मतलब है? मुश्किल सफ़र तय करना. इनमें से कौन सा दुरुस्त है? पढ़े न लिखे नाम मोहम्मद फाजल. नेक्स्ट वन इज दारुल मुसन्नफीन आजमगढ़ के बानी कौन थे? अलामा शिबली नुमानी. इस्तिलाह में कलाम में ऐसा लफ्ज़ लाना जिसके दूर मायने हों और करीब के भी हों और इस दूसरे मायने में बईद कम कलाम का जिक्र हो और गौर, तो इसमें दूर के कम इसको क्या कहते हैं? संते एहाम. वो ख़ास नाम जो माँ बाप या बहन बेटी की निस्बत को ज़ाहिर करे. कनीयत. आरामदान का मतलब? कुर्सी. वो कौन सा लफ्ज़ जो खुद मायने नहीं देता बल्कि किसी के साथ शामिल होकर मायने देता है और इनके दरमियान राब्ता भी पैदा करता है? हरफ.